nature person, but I start panicking over these plants because they're changing colors right here. And then I start putting too much fertilizer on it, too much pesticides on it, and eventually the plant just dies because I put too many unnecessarily things on it. And later I find out that these were just a natural process. So this is where my unique dot comes into play. How about there can be this type of app on your phone where if your plant is changing colors, you can take a picture of it and you can easily know if this is just a natural process or this plant just needs some more attention. And if it needs some more attention, what kind of attention? And if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you. So you can get your unique dot just by monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So like I just shared with you, how I got my unique dot just by looking around. And by the way, if I can find my unique dot just by looking at plants change colors, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.